Thought I'd fix up a flat, make it cute, make it right. 100 years old, how hard could it be? Ha ha, right. Right. Floor looked fine, gave it a try. Lifted some PVC, almost said goodbye. 1 layer, 2 layers.
Like there's a layer of this thing, and that should be waterproof. Then it's another one on top of that. This should be also waterproof. Then is this kind of roof, and then is another layer of that, and then is another layer of that. Like there are 1, 2, 3, 4 layers.
Wait, 4? Is this flooring or archaeological lore? Then plywood nailed like it owed someone rent. And under that black dust, my lungs said, nope, I'm spent. This is my renovation situation. A dusty, rusty floorboard infestation. Nails and ash and buckets of doom. Sneezed so hard I left the room. If hell had a foyer, I'm standing in it. And believe me, folks, this is just the beginning. Tried to throw out wood, they said nice try, but only without nails. I wanted to cry, so I sat like a gremlin, pulling nails for days. Gave each one a name and a backstory. Hey, I was dazed. Cut the boards down just to fit my car. Now I've got splinters from here to Zanzibar. Used a balcony crane to lower the load. My neighbors wave like, call us when you explode. This is my renovation, humiliation. Ash in my teeth, full on exfoliation. Buckets of filler, nails galore. My back's now 80 and I'm only 34. You think it's done? Oh, please keep grinning. Because spoiler alert, this is just the beginning. Kitchens, 2 baths, a hallway of doom. Every tile I pulled whispered, welcome to your tomb. Wires to chase, showers to cut. Even the ceiling tried to kick my butt. Puddle mesh, plaster, secret layers galore. Was I renovating or battling folklore? It's a renovation, revelation. Sweat and dust, I did survive. I walked into this place, thought I'd fix it up right. 100 years old, out of mind, out of sight. Just a simple plan, tear the floor from the core. Didn't know hell was hiding behind that door. PVC on PVC, stacked up 4. Then plywood nailed down to the basement floor. But under it all came the real surprise. Black ash filler burning into my eyes. Dust in my lungs, sweat on my skin. Thought it was bad, but that's where you begin. Buckets and boards, nails by the ton, blood on my hands by the time I was done. You think that's the worst? No, friend, that was just the first. They said no nails or the wood won't go, so I sat there for hours, pulling slow. Cut each board just to make it fit. Then haul it down slow, every piece, every bit. The ash below, I shoveled it blind. was just the first. Two kitchens, two baths, all torn down. Metal mesh ceilings and plaster brown. Chases for wires cut stone like bone. Every step forward I took alone. Noise in my ears, pressure inside, dragging out ghosts with nowhere to hide. I thought I was building, but truth took hold. I was breaking myself just to rebuild the old. If you felt the weight, if you saw the grind, if the scars on the walls brought peace to your mind, if the story hit, if the cuts felt true, then hit subscribe, there's more to do. This ain't the end, just to look around the bend. A chapter closed, but not the end, my friend. So don't miss what's coming through. Next time I'll build something just for you. So click that bell and wish me well.
I tore up the floor, I was feeling so bold, till I found out the wood was 100 years old. Each plank held down with 1,000 old nails by some carpenter ghost who still haunts home fails. A century of sawdust flew into my face. I sneezed so hard I left time and space. I grabbed my crowbar, swung like a knight, but those stubborn old boards put up a fight. Renovation, vexation, it's 4 times the cost. But I think that the floorboards were plotting my crush. I'm now 30% drywall and 80% dust, and I cry when I hear words like disposal and trust. Renovation, vexation, it's 4 times the cost, 4 times the effort, 4 brain cells lost. I'm now 30% drywall and 80% dust, and I cry when I hear words like disposal and trust. With a crowbar in hand, I went full Negan, but the only thing dying were my hopes this weekend. I fought every nail like a tiny warlord, till my arms gave out and I laid on the floorboard. Step 1, remove 10,000 nails. Step 2, cry into your garbage pail. Step 3, legally throw wood away, but only if nails have all gone bye-bye, okay? Suck up more. Yeah, the attic was dustier than Grandma's purse, with air so thick I could practically curse. I opened my mouth to scream or debate, but what came out sounded like drywall and hate. Renovation, vexation, it's chaos and pain. I'm hammering wood while I'm losing my brain. Each little surprise feels like sabotage by a house that's now basically